Hello, my name is Kyle from Bitwarden, and today I'd like to introduce you to a new and exciting development from the Bitwarden team. The Bitwarden Model Context Protocol server allows AI assistants to directly interact and manage your Bitwarden vault. The Bitwarden MCP server creates a local interface between your AI tools and the Bitwarden CLI, ensuring that we retain the highest levels of security and preserve zero-knowledge interactions with your vault data. Let's see how it works. Here I'm in Claude Desktop, and I already have the Bitwarden MCP server integration installed. Now I can interact with Bitwarden directly right inside my AI tools. Here I query for the status of my current Bitwarden session. We can see that it chooses the right tool to understand the question that I'm asking and return the result that I want to know. Now I can unlock my vault. Now that my vault's unlocked, I can ask it questions about things in my vault and my vault data. Here I'm asking how many items are in my vault. It's important to know that there's no direct command for counting the number of items in your vault through the MCP server or the CLI itself, but AI understands the commands it needs to run and can compute business logic to determine the result that I want to know. Now I can look up some items in my vault. Here I'll look for my Amazon password. You can see that it does a good job at locating the credentials that I need, and I can follow up with questions about that credential. Questions like asking what the TOTP code is for that credential are easy. I can also ask it to create new items in my vault. So let's do that. Here I give it some instructions to create a new account at Apple, and we can see that it generates the right things that it needs to do to create that account. We can see that it chose a username for me. Let's update that to what I need it to be and generate a more secure password for it. Here we can see multiple tools being chained together. First, you'll see the generate command being executed to generate a new secure password, followed by the edit command to update my new username with the newly generated password. Now I'll go ahead and lock my vault because I'm done interacting with it. What you just saw is a small example of what's possible with the Bitwarden MCP server. We're excited to gather feedback from our user base and see what other new and interesting ideas can now be unlocked with this powerful Bitwarden integration now available to your AI workflows. Learn more and share your feedback at bitwarden.com.